We'll see if it's here. Nope. I'm not suspicious, if you ask me. There's a director here. I don't think, only 2 of them are working, I think. It's either this or this. This one, in the middle. How big is this? Oops. Epic motor. P. So slow. Come on. Door's not closing when you push the button. Car view. This is huge, longest elevator. This is acne indicator. Really, we're stopping. Going down? Come on in. Come on in.
Thank you.
I'm not going off.
Good, good, good.
2? Top 4?
Oh yeah, 2 departures. Yeah.
Big elevator. You have big room.
Yeah, this is good. The other one was bad. You taking a picture of this?
It's a hobby of mine.
It's hobby of yours. Okay.
It's my favorite thing to do because it's been a while I haven't come back to these. This is big.
Okay.
Oh, the elevator itself?
Yeah, I like elevator itself.
Nice. Yeah, this is a big one. It has big doors, open to both sides.
It's better than Los Angeles. The Los Angeles elevator is not that big.
Yeah, LA is bad. Toronto is good.
Yeah, LA is pretty bad because it deal with too much traffic congestion every day. Waste too much time.
I know, LA is bad.
I am going down to 1 because you guys have a good day.
Alright, thank you.
I'm not getting off at 2 anyways.
Enjoy the ride.
Yes. This seems really slow. This is hydraulic, it's big.
Yeah, this is hydraulic, yeah.
Go ahead.
Okay, thank you.
Humongous elevator. Like Terminal 1, but it's not bigger than Terminal... This was not bigger than Terminal 1 elevators. But I'm trying to get this. This one does have a phone. Here we on 1. Camera off.